It has to fluff up for a bit. It does compress a lot. It didn't seem to do that as much in the store, did it?
Yeah, it did.
It did?
Yeah. We didn't really sit on it. We just...
Right. But, oh, that feels so much softer. Finally, our first official camping trip of the summer. We did go to Colorado for a month to visit my mom, but that was not a camping trip. We literally never left her front yard, so it was more just to hang out and visit my mom. She got hurt in a car incident, and so we were there for her, not to camp or travel or anything like that. So this is the first actual camping trip. In past videos, I've warned about bed upgrades in this camper. I learned the hard way. I've since then reinforced underneath, which gives it a nice divider, and I think it's probably something you'd probably want to do anyway because it's not very strong in my opinion. But the other thing too is we bought used before we went on our 10,000 mile trip a purple mattress that we bought it for like 400 bucks. And I didn't even think about it at the time. It didn't even cross my mind. But you got to remember this mattress is sitting on a platform. And the platform, as I said, needs to be reinforced. But since then, we've reinforced the platform. I've also added straps for when we're traveling. It's strapped down so it can't move and slide against the wall. Those videos explain all that. But that purple mattress weighs 110 pounds. The foam mattress that came with the camper was like 30. It also felt like it was like 30. It was terrible. But you know, I've added the camp chef grill underneath and storage and all that, so I'm trying to bring back my weight regarding some things. Also, I'll be quite honest, I think the quality of the purple mattress seems fine, but you know how they used to run that ad saying how it would work for everybody and the way it would conform with its little cells and all that stuff. It don't work for me. It's just too firm. It's a 9 1/4 inch mattress as far as thickness, and I pretty much can only sleep on my back on this mattress. If I lay on my side, my body, it doesn't conform to my body at all, and so I literally put my hip out. It's not good for me. Robin loved it, but it was not good for me. So in an effort to reduce how much weight we're carrying with the mattress, and also, as you know, we now have that thing recline, and this is a 9 1/4 inch thick mattress. So when you put it up, you know, our toes do touch the wall. It's not a big deal. It's still great to be able to, you know, adjust it and make it like a recliner and use it like a sofa. But I started looking at some mattresses that weren't available to us at the time, but now are available for us to check out in our local area. So we went ahead and went to Homemakers and picked ourselves up a 8 inch, which is surprisingly softer, not much, but enough that it actually feels comfortable for me when I lay on my side. It was only 250 bucks, and it's only 50 pounds. So we are literally saving 60 pounds in weight right there. So 60 pounds from that, at some point I'm going to upgrade my batteries to the Battleborn or something like that. So we're going to have about 120 pounds combined savings once I add the new batteries as well. So little things like that can really add up. So it worked out really well. Britton was needing a bed, and the purple, she loves the purple. She tried it for several nights. She came and slept in the camper, and it worked really well for her. She loves it. I'm pretty sure the purple's a better quality mattress than the $250 Ashley. At least you'd hope. I could see this purple probably lasting 8 years. That Ashley, if you slept in on it every day, it's probably going to last you 2 at best. But again, we won't be sleeping on it every day. It's going to be in our camper. So we, at most, will get 3 to 4 months a year tops that we actually sleep on that mattress. So we should be fine with a $250 mattress as long as it's comfortable, which it seems to be. It's cheap enough, but the biggest thing is it's light. Like I said, 50 pounds for a queen. And this is not a RV queen, it's short. It's a normal queen mattress. So I'm looking forward to getting that in. So we're going to pull this out, and Britton's going to take it to her apartment, and we are going to put in the Ashley 8-inch before we head to our first camping trip of the summer to Okoboji. Once again, we're going to take both vehicles this time. Hogging the vehicle for our fishing expeditions was not very welcomed by the girls because they didn't want to be fishing all day. They wanted to go do their own things. So we are going to go take two vehicles. Being as I'm taking the truck, I'm going to go ahead and pull the camper with the truck. There's no reason to pull the camper with the SUV if I'm taking the truck anyway. The SUV does fine, gas mileage is fine, but again, I'm already going with the truck, so I might as well use the truck because we need two vehicles. So we're going to get ready for that. We're going to get the canoe up on top of the vehicle, and we're going to head out first thing tomorrow morning. Early. Yeah, you've heard that before, haven't you? Also, as soon as we get back, 1 week from that, we are going to do a camping trip to Palisade, Colorado, which is only like 30 minutes from my mom's. So she's finally going to get to take her camper out. You're going to see us with the Williams. You've seen them before. We've gone to down the river with them several times. That's going to be a total 7-day trip, counting driving to get there and getting back home. My mom is going to stay with us on the weekend, 2 nights at the campground. And you're going to go get to see all the sights again that you've seen probably many times before with our videos, but this time we're going to have the Williams along with us and all their rowdy kids. No, they're good kids. And of course Britton will be there, and so it looks like it'd be fun. My mom's going to join us. I also put an invite out to my nephew. He doesn't show up in much of my videos, but he does live out in that area as well. He might join us as well. So without further ado, let's get this bed out of here. Let's get a boat on a roof, and let's get the new bed in here. Get a mattress protector. These are the waterproof ones. This way if you spill coffee on it or stuff like that, it's not gonna, it's not gonna mess up your mattress.
What did you do, you pansy?
So, now that you can hear me, it has to fluff up for a bit. It does compress a lot. It didn't seem to do that as much in the store, did it?
Yeah, it did.
It did?
Yeah. We didn't really sit on it. We just...
Right. But, oh, that feels so much softer.
Does it?
It's firm but soft. It's so much better. But man, this bed is so light in comparison.
Yeah.
Now we're going to put the mattress protector on it.
I love just the way it is without it, but we can't do that because...
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we will. It'll be nice just to know it's like that underneath. Sorry. Oh, you're gonna relax now, make it all stinky. Here, open your...
So there you go. It's only 50 pounds. Now you can imagine what it'd be like muscle around that 110-pound purple mattress. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't think this mattress would last nearly as long as a purple. Surprisingly, even though it's an 8-inch mattress, it's softer than it feels softer than the 10-inch chime as well. The 10-inch chime felt firmer than this. Plus it was 10 inches and it weighed like 71 pounds. So we opted for this. We're going to see how it does. I do think it feels 100 times better than the foam mattress that just comes with the camper. And like I say, the foam mattress that came with the camper I think was 30 pounds. So this is only 20 pounds more. It's comfortable. It's $250. It's an Ashley 8-inch chime memory foam. We're not sponsored by them or anything. I'll let you know how it goes during our adventures, but I think it was a good move. I'm not dissing the purple mattress. I'm just saying I think getting a purple mattress for an RV is a mistake. It's just heavy, and I think it puts an undue burden on your camper. And unless you really like firm, the 9 1/4 inch purple mattress was actually kind of firm. So that's my 2 cents on that.